Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, I'll show you how to start a blank Word document from your computer system. So see, in my Windows 11 operating system, it's having like Office already installed and Office 365 subscription is also there. I'll show you the steps. Press the start button. Simply here it is presenting like Word. So or else you can type like a word here to get this Word app. So Microsoft Word, when it is opened, now you see here blank document. It's a creating new or blank document, or go to home and click the blank document. See, this is what document what you are getting. So all the top it's like a called ribbon, home, insert, draw, design, layout, one by one options. All we are going to discussing a step-by-step process of continuity of lectures. All right, and if you are having if you are having Office 365 subscription, see, when you are open something like a Microsoft Office, in the right side, if you are already logged in, sign into your account, click here. If you are already having a username and password and logged in, directly it will take you like a Microsoft Office 365 Word document to enable and give you a permission to access it. So click here, yes, harisystems. And you can go like let me check for home. It's not by, it's already having a permission and access. Yeah, it's showing like something like a buy more, the like upgraded packs it is showing. So let me access my account. Yeah, so here it is in a Word. Where it is the Word? Office 365 personal and family. Yes, this Word I am just clicking. Yeah, all the creation of the things it is showing here. Personal and family. I have a license, and even I'm not actually, I have accessed my Excel and PowerPoint, but I didn't access this one, and it is showing something, yeah, just wait. My Microsoft account. Yeah, it's trying to accessing over here. Yes, logged in. Wow, the subscription and all are accessed. Get Office 365 family. So just I'm trying to get. It's a sign. It's like asking something. Never lose access. Add recovery phone number. Office. Yes, get Office services and like how to access this one. Yeah. So if you are already having access of Office 365, just simply try to access your subscription. Just I'm trying to accessing here, but it's not allowing it this time. Microsoft 365 Word. So transform your Word documents. Just click it, the link. Excel I am easily accessing, even the PowerPoint also in the previous lecture like I have shown you, by accessing of this account. Already have an account, sign in. Yes, I'm trying to signing in. Yes, perfect. So something I think there is a lot of menu links are here, but it's confused. So it's already have an account. See now, it's a left side in the menu, Word document, create a click the blank. So through online, without installation, having an Office like a Microsoft 365 account access, you just directly open this account and have a Microsoft Word document directly. From here also you can learn and type and practice all the tools which are available Office 365. So see your important things and all, they will provide you the informations. Okay, it's okay. So try to practice one by one with our lectures help, support, and we will give you more such a pro tips and information to make you master in Word. Be ready. Thank you.